Welcome to this enabling a conducive environment for e-commerce. We now take a look at the management team. When designing the initial venture, you will need to identify where is the key management team coming from. This will be critical for the success of your business. Many of these are now covered in this slide, which you will need to consider. Organizational structure highlights the key hierarchy and outlines the responsibility and decision-making powers and who makes a decision within your organization from the management team. The management team itself highlights the track record of the company's managers and executives. You may also offer details about key employees, including qualifications, experiences, or outstanding skills and achievements who could add an advantage and an edge to the image of the business. It is very important that you have the right team for the right jobs that you have identified, and this will determine the success of your business. The working structure highlights how your management team will operate within your defined organizational structure. This will ensure that everybody works in partnership with each other. Expertise highlights the business expertise of your management and senior team. You may also wish to include special knowledge that your team may have about, say, budget control, personnel management, public relations, and strategic management. The skills gap highlights plans to improve your company's overall skills or expertise that may be a gap. In this section, you should discuss opportunities and plans to acquire new information and knowledge that will add value. Personnel plan highlights current and future staffing requirement similar to the skills gap and the related costs, as well as training needs that staff may need both in current and future terms. This is important because it essentially determines possible gaps as well as the requirements in costing of your overall team. The marketing plan. Every business plan should have a marketing plan. This will provide you with the information as to how you will market your particular product in your particular geographic region and the section that you have chosen. In this slide, we explore some of the key factors that you need to consider and allow for budgets for this marketing activities. The marketing plan needs to cover the following aspects. Explains from an internal perspective the impacts and results of past marketing decisions and whether they worked or not. Explains the external market in which the business is competing and how it will compete with these other competitive players. Sets goals to direct future marketing efforts and what kind of marketing, in other words, will be used to get the product and the word out to your customers. Sets clear, realistic and measurable targets the marketing department can function from so that they are able to better manage the marketing function. Should include deadlines for meeting these targets so that the product development and the marketing works together. Provides the budget for all the marketing activities that you will need to perform so that it fits within the requirements of the overall financial plan. Specifies accountability and measures for all activities so that you can determine whether any marketing activity is working correctly, i.e., in other words, selling the products or not, and if you can do any remedial action therefrom. This will help you in targeting exactly what needs to be done in the future.